Okay, now, for another example, a poster must have 32 square inch of printed matter with margins of 4 inches, each at the top and 2 inches at each side. Find the dimensions of the whole poster if its area is maximum. This one is from the book of Differential Calculus by Rolando Mateo and Sergio Imas Jr. Now, given figure, we have the length and the width of a poster. Remember, sabi you have 4 inches margin at the top, therefore we have 4 inches. Then 2 inches at each side, and then we have the area. Now, the area of the printed area, we have 32 inch squared. Then your x times y is equal to 32. Remember x and y, that is length times the width. Okay, therefore we have from this given equation, your y now is equal to 32 over x. And finding for the area, for the formula of area, we have area is equal to x. We have x, then 2 plus 2, that is 4. Times yung y plus 4 plus 4. Therefore, that is 8. Okay. From this equation, you have 32 over x for the y. You have to substitute the value of your y here. The area is equal to x plus 4. And then your y is 32 over x plus 8. Okay, simplifying this one, you have the area now equal to 64 plus 8x plus 128 over x. Okay. Now, we have the dependent variable as the area and the independent variable is your x. Okay, therefore, this one, simplifying your area, we have 64 plus 8x plus 128 x raised to negative 1. Okay, finding the derivative, we have the derivative of a with respect to x is equal to 8 minus 128 x raised to negative 2. Therefore, your derivative of a with respect to x is equal to this one is equal now to 8 minus 128 over x squared. Equate your derivative of a with respect to x equal to 0. 0 is equal to 8 minus 128 over x squared. Therefore, we have get the LCD. We have 0 is equal to 8 minus 8x squared minus 128 over x squared. Cross multiply your x squared to 0. Therefore, that is 0 equal to 8x squared minus 128. Then, we have transpose your 128 to the left side. We have 128 equal to 8x squared, where x squared is equal to 128 over 8. Or your x now is equal to square root of 128 over 8, where x now is equal to 4 kasi you have square root of 16. 128 over 8 is 16. And the square root of 16 is 4. We have the value of your 4. Moving on for your y is equal to 32 over x, where y is equal to 32 over x, which is equal to 4. 32 over 4 is equal to 8. Therefore, the dimension is 4 by 8. This one is your final answer. Okay, questions?